Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to change out your air filter, your engine air filter in this I think this is the 2016 Kia Soul. Okay, when you open the hood, it stays up by itself. Right here, right in front here, the right side, in front of the battery is the air filter housing box. There's two clips here, one here. Just snap this forward and one in the back here. Just snap these forward and gently lift it up. Okay, make sure these tabs they come out from the notch. And you just lift this up like this. Gently, don't want to rip the rubber boot. Lift it up like this, and that's your air filter right here. This is it right here. And make sure you clean inside the air filter box, because those debris can suck up and go into this tube right here and go inside your engine. Okay, this is it right here. You can use some compressed air and clean it out. You can just hit it a little, just gently, and get out if it's still good, and then clean it up and put it back in. Okay, so you get your new one. Just lift this up again. Okay, clean out in here. Okay, get your new one. Make sure you this make sure you put it right. This the bigger side goes in the bottom. Make sure it seats in. It's like a rubber gasket around it to seal it off. Make sure it sits in. Okay, you put the top part down. Make sure it fits in also in this notch here. Just put it down like this. Push it backwards. Okay, it seats in all over, and then you snap in these two clips. This one here. Snap that in, and snap the back one in. Okay, and that's it. Very simple to do. If you like the video, give it a like, thumbs up, leave a comment. Subscribe to see more videos, share the videos also, so you can help others. And thanks for watching.